Thanks for tuning in. A few of my followers have asked me about some of the different marinas that I've visited, and so what I've done is I developed a point system in an effort to keep things fair and consistent. Is there still some bias in it? Probably, but I've made a real attempt to eliminate that. And so the points that this particular marina has earned will be posted at the end of this video, so that you first have a chance to take a look at the pictures that I've taken of the particular marina, so you can judge for yourself. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you would like it, subscribe, and if you click that bell every time I upload something new, you'll get notified. So, you can share this video too if you want. So thanks for tuning in. May all your seas be calm. Take care.